Hi everyone, and welcome to Nanny Cooks from the Ozarks. Well, it's the first part of November. We got through the month of October, and in October we did several crock-pot recipes, and we called the month Crocktober because we were making crock-pot recipes. But we have one more recipe that we want to share with you today where we use the crock-pot. And it is called Marry Me Chicken. And I've been married 58 years, and I finally got my husband down on one knee with this Marry Me Chicken. So stay tuned. First, let's gather all of our ingredients, including the crock pot. For this recipe, I'm using my casserole crock pot, which is more long and narrow, but you could certainly use a regular crock pot for this recipe. Be sure to spray the inside of the crock pot well. Before searing the chicken breast, be sure to trim any excess skin from it. After searing on both sides, place the chicken breast in the crock pot and continue with the other ingredients as listed in the recipe. The last hour, stir in the heavy cream to make this perfect dish. After cooking 6 to 7 hours, you will end up with a creamy, beautiful chicken dish.